Yo, real shit, yo. Yo, when I find out who the fuck this is, nigga, you dead, nigga. Real nigga shit, you dead, nigga.
He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. He rolled around with the gun and knife. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. Full-fledged, he didn't care about the price. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. All his life he tried to get it right. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. You piss him off, he ain't gotta think twice. He lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it. He did it, he did it, he did it, he did it, he did it. Years in the game, I lived that life. Now I'm my old head and I'm living in that life. When I see him straight off, I bring him to the light. I know my reason for life, I'm living that life. Lil Rey-Ray carry heat and he living that life. Come from a good family, but he can't get it right. He sleeps all through the day and he lives to the night. Living a life of crime cause his pockets is tight. He don't wanna get a job, all he wanna do is rhyme. To keep up his dope habit all day, he's on the nine. He loves the sensation, can't escape the temptation. Everyday life is wishing every second that he's facing, but he can't escape the lifestyle, he got no patience. He got no patience, no family support since a kid. Never been taught how to navigate through this life and deal with the sport called life. We all gotta get it right. We all gotta get it right. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. He rolled around with the gun and knife. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. Full-fledged, he didn't care about the price. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. All his life he tried to get it right. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. You piss him off, he ain't gotta think twice. He lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it. He did it, he did it, he did it, he did it, he did it. He lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it. He did it, he did it, he did it, he did it, he did it. He lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it, he lived it. He did it, he did it, he did it, he did it, he did it. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. He'll shoot you on the spot, he ain't gotta think twice. He used to roll around with a Rambo knife, and whoever did him wrong eventually paid the price. He had a smile that'll light up a room, also had a grin that'll clear out the room. Once his mind locked in the zone, no way to get through him. Any visions in his mind, and they gotta pursue him. Eyes pitch black once he get upset. One too many drinks, now the world is a threat. Eventually everybody's match will be met, especially when to somebody else you are a threat. No matter who you are, killers watch from afar. Get up close when you come stumbling up out the car. Lil Rey-Ray got shot down on the side of the car. 1 foot up in the car, face down in the tar. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. He rolled around with the gun and knife. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. Full-fledged, he didn't care about the price. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. All his life he tried to get it right. He lived it, he lived it, he lived that life. You piss him off, he ain't gotta think twice. He lived it, he lived it,